Welcome to Weeshr demo. I'm going to make this real quick. So assuming I already have an account, I'm just going to log in. This is a newly created account. We have different features in the home page, which is the calendar. I can add my friend's birthday so that I don't get to forget, and the Weeshr app can remind me. I can also add friends, invite friends to Weeshr. And here for the friends count, you can click here and you can see all your friends. We automatically synchronize contact, and all your friends are already on Weeshr are going to be appearing there. You can see their profile, and you can also see the date of it, and it's going to be listed there. But the reason why you're here is because you want to create a wish. Say your birthday is upcoming, so you click on add wish. As you can see, some of my wishes are already here. To expand that, you can see my wishes are already here, but I have another wish I want to add. So I say trip to YC, for example, and I put category and say order, for example, and how much I need is 2 million naira to get to YC. And I have pictures I want people to see when they're trying to gift me, so I add these pictures here. Add more pictures. Can add as many pictures as I want. Let's see, I'll add one more picture. All right, so that's about it. I want to get to YC next. Okay, so that's about it. With vendor, I can decide to choose order, and I can put a direct link. If it's something I'm looking to purchase online and I have a direct link, I can just add the wish. And of course, that's about it. You have a pop-up that says, Weeshr makes money by adding 3%. I say, okay, I am done. And then you can see, my wish is automatically populated here, my trip to YC. I can decide to make it a priority wish so that people will see it. If I have a lot of wish, so that people will see it among the first wishes when they click my link. So when I'm done with that, I can click on share link and then, decide to distribute it to my friends and family, right? Okay, so let's say somebody who sees my tweet or sees my WhatsApp status and everything, they get to click on it and they get to see my wish. This is how it's going to look like, and they can decide to contribute towards my wish or complete the wish. Okay, so because of time, you can, when your wish are granted, you can see them here. You can see compliment here as well. You can see your total contribution. But a major part that we're excited about is the social part of Weeshr as well. This in in 2 days, we had over 300 downloads, and of course, you have people already making their wishes and all of that. Now I can decide to search for a friend, and I can, you can see a wish that I can decide to contribute or not, right? And I can see a profile, and so that's about it. That's how what Weeshr is about. And I can decide to add her as my friend. Add my friend, she get notified, and then we get to connect. You can see the settings as well. I can decide to upload my birthday pictures here. I can write about myself, choose my interest, and all of that. So basically, that's how Weeshr work. It's for regular people, it's for celebrities, it's for influencers, it's for day-to-day people that are really looking to be celebrated and looking to celebrate the people they love and care about. Thank you very much.